You hit my line soon as the sun go down. Now all I'm thinking about is taking you down. I keep on feeling like I need you around. We might as well just move some things around. But seriously, it's cool.
What are you doing?
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you and rounded up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
I'm gonna fix that. Where's my brush? I'm also trying to figure out if I want to cut it according to my face, or should I just wait until after Halloween and do it. Like right now it looks pretty the way it is, but it's like I feel like I could cut it according to my face, but I don't know yet. And what I'm gonna do probably tomorrow. I might comb it out tomorrow. I think I stretched my rubber band. Just gonna go over it with this to hide the lining or whatever. See? Look like I got a big forehead. I sometimes do my wigs to my hairline or off my hairline. Sometimes you'll see sometimes you'll see the difference between the two, like whenever I do my wigs. Sometimes I put it over my forehead Sometimes I don't, but this time I did not want to put it right here, because normally that's where I put it, but this time I decided to put it back here a little bit. I'm tired, y'all. It's been a long week, so I'm a little drained. So if I seem a little off in my video, just know it's been a long week. I'm gonna use this. Yeah, that's another one. That's a good one. Right there. Boink. What is he messing with? My son has been bad too. He's a bad little creature. He gets into everything. Like right now, he's getting into something and I'm trying to like, it's not nothing bad. He's just messing with my papers, which he shouldn't be messing with. But I'm trying to like ignore it and not let it get to me. Because he gets into literally everything. But them terrible twos ain't no joke. Like, they really aren't. Trying to make sure that's enough. I don't know if that's enough. I might have to make a little bit more to make it a little more thicker, because I am going to have to curl it. Or maybe that is enough. Let me snatch up a little bit more right here. Yeah, I think that's good enough. Yeah, that's enough. I'm going to just this right here. We don't see. So I do gotta get my scissors. I'm gonna do the other side off camera, so I'm gonna come back to you guys in a couple minutes. Okay, so I got this done, and now I just gotta re-put this in the ponytail again, because I got loose pieces of hairs that are like in the way. So I'm gonna take my brush, gonna brush these out the way. This hair actually looks kind of cute on me. Not gonna lie, it looks kind of cute. And normally I wouldn't have done ginger, but I so bad wanted to have at least 1 year where I have a ginger wig or do something cute with ginger. So I was like, you know what, let me actually do a ginger wig. So I went for this color. I did not think it was gonna be this long. It's pretty long, but it looks cute. So I was a little excited about it. So I'm gonna do this side for the baby hairs. I'm gonna get quiet for this because I gotta focus. So.
And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me, nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me, nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. About it. Tell them about it. Now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was and just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? Now you look so stupid, and it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Don't tell your friends about it. Don't tell what you see, how I did it on the low. Tell them niggas, tell them bitches, tell them niggas I'm just living. Tell them how you thought you was the nigga fucking bitches. Now you wishing you were with me living life so tricky.
I like fluffy baby hairs anyway. Oops. I like it to look a little fluffy. It don't look the same, but it looks cute. I want to cut these ones so bad though. It's like, I don't know. It don't look the same, but I'm just trying to get that fluffy look. You see that? That's what I was kind of going for. It's just this side ain't doing what it's supposed to. This side did it though. This side ate. This side needs to take a nap. I'm gonna spray it though. Okay. So now that that is sprayed, now I'm gonna take this and put it on my head. Now the part that I've been waiting for, should I cut it or should I not? And this, I'm gonna take probably a rubber band for this. It's like a weird method I do to try to get this to look a little like that. It's a weird method I do. I don't have the little thingies right now, so I was like, the pins. I don't have the pins, so I'm like, I don't know how I should do this. But I know how to do it because I did it with my blonde wig I installed before. And it actually worked. It made it look cute, but it's whatever. So I still got to debate whether I want to cut this to shape my face or just leave it like this. I may just leave it like this and then try another day to cut it. Like I did with my blonde one. With my blonde one, I actually waited a while before I cut it. Or cut it. Not cut it. Oh, it's so tangled. See, it wasn't tangling at first until I washed it. I don't know. I feel like I should cut it though. I feel like it would be cute.
You got me wanna risk it all. I want you to feel